The purpose of this demonstration is just to show how to unbatch entities. And there are a couple of ways we can do it, but we'll show you each one of those methods here. To begin with, we're just going to start with a simple arrival with infinite occurrences every 5 minutes going into this review activity. In the review activity, we don't have any logic set up. All we're doing is this batching, which I just described. So we'll then move on to the next activity. Now in this case, we've defined this as a buffer rather than as an activity. And we're going to select the unbatch option in the batching section. So when those entities come in from the review as a batch, they'll come into the process buffer and then just do an unbatch, and then they'll exit on the exit route. So it's pretty basic. And again, I said that there were a couple of ways you could do the unbatch. One way is with this buffer activity. We could also change that to a regular activity, and then we could come into the batching section and either unbatch before the activity here or unbatch after the activity. So you can either do the unbatching at an activity or, as we had it initially, as a buffer. The logic over here will be executed first, and then it will do the unbatching. It's just like if you had the activity and you were unbatching after. Similar kind of thing, but the logic will be executed first. So that's basically it for unbatching.